So when we bought our house, it came with this dishwasher, and there was only like two wheels left on here, and it was ridiculous. So they had just been pulling it out. Like you can see where it's scratched. They had just been pulling it out with no wheels. These wheels work perfectly. The back pieces just clicked right on in the back right here. So this is one of the old wheels because you can kind of see it's kind of yellowed. And then this is the new wheel. So I only had to replace, like, it was over half of them, but I had to replace a lot of them. So there was that one. So I replaced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it looks like that was the old one, and that one also popped off. But these work perfectly fine. I don't know why they went like so long without replacing it when it was literally just like scraping the whole thing. These things worked really well. I got them on in minutes, so I had no problem. Looks like I need to grab the other new one out of the drawer. I'll probably replace both of them. But yeah, these work perfect, and it was so easy to replace them. My husband wanted to get a whole new dishwasher, and I was like, hold up, let me see if I can fix the problem. Ordered these, they showed up, and we've now had this dishwasher for over a year with absolutely zero problems. So super easy fix. Yeah, just replace your wheels. It was so easy. So yeah, these work great, and they're super easy to use.